So it really doesn't matter who we are. When we're looking for a doctor or a dentist or a lawyer, we'll check with our friends and relatives to see who they use. We ask questions like, well, how long have you been going to her? Or do you trust her? And if it's not too personal, what dental or other professional work did you have done? At Hackard Law, we focus our practice on a narrow but critical field: estate, trust, probate, and financial elder abuse litigation. We litigate in most of California's large urban areas, and people, for the most part, find us online. So this is understandable, as most people don't have friends or relatives who've either experienced trust or estate litigation, or if they have experienced it, they really don't want to talk about it. So let's face it, these family fights are not pleasant, and if we're in them, we don't like to advertise it. We normally wouldn't go to a neighbor or friend and say something like, well, do you know a lawyer who knows what he's doing, who could sue my brother for stealing my mom's house and bank accounts? Probably wouldn't say that. For most of us, we don't know what we don't know, and we often don't know what kind of action or help we need. We describe how we are hurting and hope that a dentist, doctor, or lawyer hears our description and figures out what to do next. Many clients tell us what they saw, they heard, or read in our clients' testimonials. We like this, and we appreciate our clients who went out of their way to provide a testimonial. Testimonials are powerful. They speak to our hearts and minds. The best testimonials are not scripted. We can tell the difference between John Smith is the finest lawyer in the universe and Sally really stepped up for us. We didn't know what to do. She listened, took my calls, and helped us through a difficult time. For lawyers, we have to disclose that all case outcomes are dependent on the facts of each case. Now that only makes sense. Results can differ. Well, they sure can, from one to the other. And also that we make no predictions or guarantees of success, and past success in similar matters is not indicative of future success. That's really true in almost all endeavors. Okay, but let's get back to why testimonials work. Client testimonials are powerful. Reviews from clients make attorneys become more accessible, more human, less remote. Prospective clients often depend on sites such as Yelp and Google to lead them in the right direction. A large number of reviews is not a guarantee of success at all, but it does show that people appreciated the services that we rendered and are willing to talk about it. Sometimes clients tell us that they're going to review us, and sometimes the review just pops up as a pleasant surprise. If asked what I like in reviews, I provide no direction other than to mention that the truth always works, good, bad, or indifferent. Hackard Law is devoted to protecting clients and fighting for their future, and our clients can tell you so in their own words how we perform for them. That's the power of testimonials, and I so appreciate those people that went out of their way to make the testimonials. Under my leadership, Hackard Law stands ready to assist you in your probate, estate, and trust litigation needs throughout California. We're advocates for our clients in superior courts from Sacramento and Los Angeles to San Jose, Alameda, and San Diego. Call us today at 916-313-3030, and we'll be happy to listen to your story and see how we might be able to help you. Thank you.